Welcome to our apartment. This is a one-bedroom, two toilets located in Dubai, UAE. I live here with my husband Sander. The apartment has a total area of about 80 square meters. Before we start with the tour, here is a brief overview of what it looked like before. We found an unfurnished apartment with a semi-furnished kitchen. This is our second rental apartment and we're not able to change much that comes with this without costing us extra, but we are quite happy with the way it is. As we both work from home, our main priority was to have a setup of two proper desks, one in the living area for my husband and one in the large bedroom for myself. Also, a very comfortable and spacious bed. Now, let's kick off the tour with a hallway. We've kept our trusty IKEA shoe cupboard where we store our shoes and other footwear. In our previous, I used the plant stand in my desk area, and now it has found a new function in gathering our keys or any small items that we used regularly. On the right side is the guest toilet. A pretty standard one but nicely done, and it comes equipped with all the necessities. I've placed a few necessities like hand wash, hand towel, and some flowers to add a touch of coziness. That and a scented fragrance, of course. We use this toilet as a bit of storage space as well. One corner holds a few tall, slim, clinging items. The next area is an open space in which we created three distinct sections: dining, living, and office. We've designed this space to be warm and inviting by the use of simple lighting, greeneries, and textures. Both theme and colors were mainly driven by having to incorporate our existing furniture with black, red, and beige palettes. In our previous apartment, we bought a small table that served as my husband's desk, and this one now forms the centerpiece of our dining area. We bought in 4 black chairs to match it. We also brought these red placemats that quickly became the accent color for this section and the rest of the living space. I find that black and red colors go so nicely in contrast with the overall white and bright atmosphere of the space. We added a black vase with white flowers to serve as a centerpiece. To the left, we put a floor lamp with hand-braided bamboo and a black metal stand which provides a warm ambience at night and creates decorative light patterns. On Amazon, we found a nice canvasy artwork which creates visual interest and provides a bit of depth. We opted for a similar black and red print for continuity of the theme. Lastly, to the right we have a fake bamboo tree which we use to break up the living and dining space. The living area is separated by a red flat rug which is very comfortable to the touch. Since we don't spend a lot of time here, we opted for a simple, basic yet comfortable couch from IKEA with gray cushions and black legs paired with an ottoman which can be a leg rest while lounging here. On the other side, we find a TV and entertainment unit. While wall TV may be better than a floor TV design, this is our best option since this is a rental unit. We found a black shelving unit at IKEA and it has a smooth surfaces and rounded corners which give a feel of quality. The white underframe creates an airy look. For storage, we added organic themed boxes which are made of seagrass and which create a warm and unique look for the space. The sheer curtains have made a huge impact on how the apartment feels. Not only do they provide texture and an elegant look, they also diffuse the sunlight and give a bit of that much needed softness in this space. The balcony outside is kept really simple. One table, 2 chairs, and a fake plant as a centerpiece. We enjoy the view of the neighborhood and having our meal here occasionally during the nice weather months. The summer months are just around the corner and will mean that it's too hot to stay outdoors. At night, the view really shines with all the street and building lighting coming in play. Moving back inside the main area of the apartment, we find my husband's home office setup. This time he opted for a height-adjustable desk. He uses this space for both his day job and his hobbies, so everything here pretty much allows him to switch seamlessly between the two. He installed a side drawer to keep stationery, documents, and a place to put his printer. In the corner, we found our second floor lamp, positioned to light up the corner and to provide a nice ambience along with the other floor lamp on the dining corner. Wall decorations will be added once he has found a perfect artwork. In the other corner of this section, we put another fake bamboo tree to match the other one on the living side and to create the idea of a small partition, a transit into another section of the apartment. Next to the desk is another shelving unit meant for more storage boxes, books, and cute decor pieces. I personally love this corner with a hint of red, black, white, and beige items. The 3D moonlight piece is my favorite. Highlight our wedding photo in a frame and providing a nicely lit ambience in this corner. Our kitchen is one of the most used areas of the apartment, so it's important to keep it organized. We try to minimize ordering in, and we like to prepare our own meals. We're not a big eater anyway. I like my kitchen to look clean and uncluttered, so on the countertop, we only find those essentials that we require often, while everything else is kept in the drawers and pantry. To the left are the fridge, the washing machine, and the laundry amenities in the cabinet next to it. On the countertop, we put the bread toaster, the kettle, and our pancake maker, again with the essentials stored close by in the overhead cabinets. The center section holds the cooking counter and the sink. Here we find our air fryer, rice cooker, and knife set. The cabinet under this section houses our dirty laundry and shopping bags or plastics, while the overhead compartment hides the gas controls and provides a place where we kept medications and supplements. Next is the oven with our spices and condiments close by in the overhead compartment. Then we have the sink with a dish rack on the side to dry the plates and utensils after washing. I also keep our chopping boards and paper towels there for easy access. The cabinet under the sink is where we keep the cleaning supplies and the trash bin. The overhead cabinet serves as our pantry to store the dry goods, and then the last one is for our plates, bowls, glasses, and mugs. We store our cutleries, foils, wraps, and food containers in the drawers below that. Lastly, we have the all-important coffee machine sitting by itself on the countertop, and completing the circle, we find the water dispenser in the last usable corner of the kitchen. Moving into the bedroom, the theme here is largely minimal to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. Next to the door is my desk, where I spend most of my time during the day doing creative work and editing. This IKEA gaming desk is quite a feature, and it's exactly what I wanted after a mini desk in our previous apartment. It was a toss between white and black, but then a white one was not available, so we opted for a black instead. My big screen fits perfectly with my two laptops. This setup works for now, but knowing myself, I will definitely find some time soon to reorganize it all a bit better. Our bed is a king-size bed in Ghana Red Blue, a rounded headboard and silvery metal legs. Two minimalist bedside lamps that continue the bamboo theme sit on the two white bedside tables with drawers, completing the sleeping area. Opposite the bed, we find built-in wardrobes with just about enough space for our clothes, bags, and other stuff. It's tight, but it works. Like the door to the balcony in the living area, this gives the room plenty of natural light, but the sheer curtain helps to diffuse the sunlight while at the same time providing an elegant and homey feel. The balcony outside holds our laundry rack and is mainly used to dry our clothes. The blackout curtain, on the other hand, ensures a really good night's sleep. The final part in this section of the apartment is the bathroom, and everything here pretty much came with the apartment. We added a shower curtain and a floor mat and our acrylic organizers to have a place for our toiletries and makeup items. And that wraps up the tour of our apartment. I hope you liked having a peek into our place, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you watch the next one.